In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the watermark from TradingView. This is a straightforward process that can make your charts look cleaner and more professional, especially if you're planning to share your analysis or screenshots. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to be on the TradingView platform. If you're not already there, go ahead and navigate to the site and pull up your chart. Once you're on your chart, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice various tools and settings, but our focus today will be on the settings you'll find on the chart itself. Next, look towards the top of the chart area. Here, you'll see a settings icon which typically looks like a small gear. Clicking on this icon opens up a menu through which you can customize various aspects of your chart. This is where you'll perform the necessary adjustments to remove that watermark. After clicking the settings icon, a settings menu will appear. On this menu, you'll find several tabs that allow you to tweak various parts of your chart. The tab we're interested in is labeled Canvas. Go ahead and click on it. This section deals with elements that can be adjusted directly on the chart's canvas or background. With the Canvas tab now open, scroll through the options until you see something related to a watermark. It should be labeled simply as Watermark. Beside this, you'll find a small arrow or toggle button. Clicking on this arrow will expand more options related to the watermark settings. Once the options are expanded, you will see that there's a checkbox that is usually checked by default. This checkbox is what enables or disables the watermark display on your chart. To remove the watermark, simply uncheck this box. It's as easy as that. Unchecking it will instantly remove the watermark from your chart on the current view. Now that you've unchecked the watermark option, the last step in solidifying this change is to confirm and apply it. Look for an OK button in the settings window and click it. This will save any adjustments you've made, and just like that, you should see a clear watermark-free chart in front of you. And with that, you're done. Removing the watermark from TradingView is really that simple, but it makes a significant difference in your chart's presentation. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, creating content, or just prefer the look of a cleaner chart, adjusting this setting will enhance your TradingView experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to experiment with other settings to personalize your chart even further according to your preferences. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy charting!